before, have you?
I have. I've seen them since we first started filming trains.
Well, that's the first time I've seen them that I remember.
Roll down the front window.
Oh, okay.
Just kidding. I think we saw them in the end of 2024.
Ah. Definitely a grain train.
Yeah, it is. Oh, there's FURX hoppers. What's FURX?
I don't know.
I know that company makes train engines that are small and they are green. So it says.
Yep.
What does that word mean?
No clue. A lot of graffiti on these.
It said free something, I couldn't catch it. Wow, look at those hoppers, they're clean without any graffiti. Oh, there's one. Arts Vicket. What does that word mean? Rip stew. Rest in peace. Oh! Norfolk Southern, that's rare.
Never seen so many of these hoppers before.
Murder. Dignity. Dignitol. I don't know what dignitol means, but I just learned that.
I didn't see it very well. Could have been digital, maybe?
Digital there.
Oh, here comes the DPU.